Hello, I'm Ramon and welcome to RC Modify. Today we'll be applying an Arrmaskinz to my Mojave EXB, and I think I have a different way of doing it from what I've seen everybody else do. So let's get on with with the install. All right. Okay, so I went ahead and already pre-remove the body, so the car's already upside down. And here's the skin we're going to be applying. It's showtime. And there are 5 screws in the front, 5 screws in the back you have to remove from the protective plates here. The front has 3 2.5 millimeter hex screws plus 2 smaller 2 millimeter hex screws on the opposite side of the plate. And in the back, they're all 2.5 millimeter hex screws. First, we want to start by cleaning it off. Make sure, it's a new truck, so it shouldn't be dirty. But I'm going to clean it off anyway, just in case there's any oils. I did not completely remove the plates. I just undid the screws. There is enough room for them to move around. You could still get the skin on, it looks like. We'll find out here in a minute. Okay, we gotta wait for it to dry. I have a heat gun. Okay. Just helping it out with the heat gun a little bit to let it dry here. Okay, so now we want to go ahead and line up the skin. So let's take your time, line it up, make sure all the edges line up. And basically, I'm going to use painter's tape to hold it in place so it doesn't move around on us. I see that a lot of guys peel off the whole backing and then they're sticking it on, pulling it back off. I'm hoping this will work. Maybe I should have moved that a little bit further back. Just to be sure. Alright, so then what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove part of the backing from the front here. To get it started, I'm going to peel off a nice amount and just cut that off. And now you should be able to just slide it under. It's going to hold in place. Now I'm going to remove the painter's tape, and it shouldn't go anywhere. It should stay fixed. Now you should should be able to peel this off, and you don't have to worry about your decal sliding around on you, or your skin, actually. Now hold it up and just slide it on with your hand. Hopefully this is that was easy. Now, I believe it was recommended that you apply some heat to soften up the glue. So, I'm doing that as the last step. Probably make it adhere a little better. So, you know, here's the heat gun again, so excuse the noise. That was it. I think that was the easiest way I've ever seen. I'm happy with the results. Looks good. I'm gonna button her up. So oh, I did want to mention as well, the little screw holes that are punched out is easier to see them on the reverse side. You can see the outlines a lot better. Trying to look at the skin and punch out all those is kind of tough. But that's the install. It was pretty quick. Just use some painter's tape. Remember, it was a 2mm bit, 2mm hex bit, and 2.5mm hex bit. You'll need if you're doing this on a Mojave. Apart from that, that's all for now. Everybody have a good night, a wonderful day. Bye.